rotational motion and circular motion. Circular motion, when a point object move along circumference of a circle, its motion is called circular motion. When a point object moves on a circumference of a circle, when a point object moves as that it remains at constant distance from a fixed point, is called circular motion. Now, what is rotational motion? It is a circle with center O at this point. This is the center O. And a point object is moving along this circle. A point object is moving along this circle. The motion of this point object is what? Circular motion. Now, if you don't have a point object, you have extended body. You have extended body, a large body. You have extended body like this. We are discussing rotational motion. What is rotational motion? What is rotational motion? It is a body of irregular shape. It is not a point object for our reference. It is extended body. Right? I insert a refill here in this body, and this body is rotating. This body is rotating like this. Irregularly shaped body. It is made up of large number of particles. It is made up of large number of particles. The body itself is not a particle. It is an extended body. It has a considerable size, considerable volume. Now, I draw a point over this body. This is point. I think it is visible to you, clearly visible to you. Now, with the rotation of this body, the body is rotating. What can you say about the motion of this dot, this particle? What type of motion this particle is executing? What type of motion this particle, this dot, what type of motion this dot is executing? Raise your hands. What type of motion this dot is executing? Raise your hands. Okay. It is executing circular motion. Bilkul sahi. Very nice. Thank you. It is executing. Sit down, please. It is executing circular motion because this point is at a constant, at a fixed distance with another point. What is that another point? This another point lie on this refill. So maintaining a fixed distance, a constant distance with a fixed body, it is moving. That's why the motion of this point is a circular motion. Correct? Now consider another point. Here I draw a green point. Is it visible to you? Green and red. Now with the motion of body, the green point is also executing circular motion, just like this red point. Both the 2 points are executing circular motions. If I draw another point here, here inside, deep inside this body, yes, deep inside this body, this black point is also executing circular motion with the motion of the body. All the three particles or all the 3 points are executing circular motion. Does their path is same? Is their path is same? The circle on which they are moving are the same circles? No, they are moving on different circles with different radii and different centers. This one has a smaller radius and red point has its center here. The green point has center, it has its own another center which also lie on the same refill here. This black point is also executing circular motion at larger radius and with a different center. If you consider different particles of this body, all these particles are executing circular motion. All these particles are moving along a circle, moving along different circles with different radii and different centers. But there is common. There is one thing common. Which one is common? Yes. Center. No, they don't have common centers. Circular, obviously, circular motion to common hai, but there is one more fact common. Can you identify? Where does the center of this point? Where does the center of this red point lie? Where does the center of this green point lie? Where does the center of this black point lie? कहाँ है इनके centers? There is a common line. There is a common. The center of this red point lie on this refill. The center of this green point also lie here on the refill. The center of this black point also lie on the somewhere on the refill. So the centers of different particle of circular motion of circle lie on the same refill. This refill, this line is called axis of rotation. This is called what? Axis of rotation. So what is a rotational motion? What is a rotational motion? Rotational motion of a body is a motion such that different particles of body execute circular motion having different radii and different centers, all the centers lying on a common line called axis of rotation. The rotational motion of a body is the motion such that different particles of body execute circular motion having different radii and different centers, all centers lying on a common line called axis of rotation. इरेगुलर शेप की बॉडी जानबूझकर मैंने बनाई इसको. इसका एक पॉइंट आपने लिया, ये पॉइंट प्रोबेबली आपको विजिबल है, रेड पॉइंट. जब ये बॉडी मूव कर रही है तो इस पूरी बॉडी के मोशन के साथ साथ इस रेड पॉइंट का क्या हो रहा है? ये रेड पॉइंट क्या कर रहा है? ये एक सर्किल पर मूव कर रहा है. इस सर्किल की रेडियस है, इस सर्किल का अपना एक सेंटर है यहाँ, जहां एग्जैक्टली इस टाइम मेरी ये पेन की टिप रखी हुई है, ये सेंटर है. किस सर्किल का सेंटर है? उस सर्किल का सेंटर है जिस सर्किल पर आपका ये रेड वाला पॉइंट मूव कर रहा है. अब अगर ग्रीन वाले पॉइंट को आप देखें तो ये ग्रीन वाला पॉइंट भी मूव कर रहा है, ये ग्रीन वाला पॉइंट भी मूव कर रहा है, ये भी एक सर्किल पर मूव कर रहा है. लेकिन सर्टेनली आप क्लियर है कि जिस सर्किल पर ये मूव कर रहा है रेड वाला पार्टिकल, उस सर्किल पर आपका ग्रीन वाला पार्टिकल मूव नहीं कर रहा. ये अपने एक अलग सर्किल पर मूव कर रहा है, इसकी अपनी रेडियस है, इसका अपना कहीं सेंटर है. लेकिन वो सेंटर कहाँ है? वो सेंटर उस लाइन पर है जिस लाइन पर आपके रेड वाले पार्टिकल का सेंटर है. अगर आप इस ग्रीन रेड ब्लैक वाले पार्टिकल को देखें तो मैंने काफी गहराई में इसे दबाया है, तो ये भी एक सर्किल पर मूव कर रहा है, इसकी भी अपनी सर्कुलर पाथ की एक रेडियस है, इसका अपना सेंटर है. लेकिन वो सेंटर है कहाँ? वो सेंटर उसी लाइन पर है जिस लाइन पर रेड वाले पॉइंट का सेंटर है, जिस लाइन पर ग्रीन वाले पॉइंट का सेंटर है, उसी लाइन पर इस ब्लैक वाले पॉइंट का सेंटर है। अगर मैं इसे बॉडी को यहाँ निकाल दूं तो रेड वाले का शायद सेंटर यहाँ हो, ग्रीन वाले का सेंटर शायद यहाँ हो, ब्लैक वाले का सेंटर यहाँ हो, लेकिन है वो एक ही लाइन पर। तो किसी भी बॉडी का ऐसा मोशन, किसी भी बॉडी का ऐसा मोशन जिसमें कि बॉडी के डिफरेंट पार्टिकल्स अलग अलग सर्किल्स पर सर्कुलर मोशन एग्जीक्यूट करें, इस तरह से कि सभी सर्किल्स के सेंटर कहां हो, एक कॉमन लाइन पर हो। इस मोशन को आप बोलते हैं रोटेशनल मोशन। एंड दिस कॉमन लाइन इज कॉल्ड एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन।